Hello friends, welcome back. Today going to see one more important problem and scenario in the data view. It's extremely useful in in your interviews and day-to-day life. So let's dive in without any delay. Let me share my screen. One sec. So hope you're able to see my screen. The problem is like this. We have an employees list. Employees is working in different locations like Bangalore, Chennai, and Delhi in different departments. So what's the requirement is we need to group the employees based on the location and the corresponding department. See, if you see this input, there is a employees Krishna, Devi, Swapna, Sanjana, Vishnu, and Amit. They are working in different departments in different locations. So I want to group the Bangalore guys. The Bangalore, under Bangalore, the two departments are there. One is IT department and HR department. In the IT department, Krishna is working and Swapna and Sanjana is working. And in the HR department, Devi is working. So my expected output is like this. Location in the Bangalore, on the department, the two departments are there, IT and HR. Under IT, Krishna and Sanjana is working, and in the HR, Devi is working. If you come to Chennai, in Chennai, see, there is one department in Chennai, there's a marketing department. Under this department, Swapna and Vishnu is working. And coming to Delhi, Delhi has only one employee and one department in the Delhi sales department, and Amit Agrawal is working. So this is my expected output. Let's work on this, work on DataWeave script to get this expected output. See, guys, the first my key is I need location. So what I'm doing is just putting the location over here, hardcoded string, location. So for my location, what my I want to first group the entire employees based on the location. For that, the payload dot employees group by value dot location. So this is the first step. See, under location, I got employees based grouped based on the corresponding cities. Now what I'm doing is I'm iterating over this location object, and I will get all the cities, and I need to get the department information from all the cities. For that, as this is the object, I need to use the map object to iterate each object, right? Each object inside this object, the Bangalore, Chennai, and the Delhi. So for that, I'm applying the map object, and here map object, I want the location, the either Chennai, Bangalore, Delhi as it required. So that is under the key. So I'm printing the key colon key colon. What I'm doing is now I'm uh, I'm grouping the location based on the department, right? So for that department, as I'm opening a brace over here, the department opening a brace over here. And see, if I open a brace, I can able to see the location and the corresponding cities. And under that, I need department. So I'm putting the department over here. And to get the department, I need to group the value by department. Value group by value group by value group by item dot department. Now I see I got entire hierarchy, location, Bangalore, department, and IT and HR. Now everything is sorted out. Okay. But as per the requirement, I need only the name of the employee list. I don't want this detailed information. This object is not required. I just need only the names, right? So for simplicity purpose, what I'm going to do is now I don't want this everything. So I need only name, right? So for that, I need to do once again the map object on this one, map object. And inside the map object, I need only name. So, but IT department is under key. So I need a key colon value dot name. That's it. I got the entire thing. So this is initially seems little critical, little complex, but it is very, very important kind of scenarios we commonly come across. So practice this more, you get more idea about this data view, this double group by, and follow my series. I will post now on, I will post regularly on different data view problems. Thank you so much.